5 years for world-class manufacturing. Welcome to TQC News channel. To get more updates, subscribe this channel. Contents of this video is to explain what is 5 years, how to implement 5 years, how to sustain the implemented 5 years, how to review and measure 5 years. Now we will come to what is 5 years. It is a starting letter of 5 Japanese words. First S represents Seiri, that is sorting out. Second S represents Seitan, it is systematic arrangement. Third S represents Seiso, shine everything. Fourth S represents Seiketsu, it is standardization. Fifth S represents self-discipline, that is Shitsuke. First S, Seiri, means sorting out. Sort and out. What to sort, what to send out, that is a remove. Sorting. Identify, segregate wanted and unwanted things. Out, that means remove. Remove unwanted things to red tag area. Red tag area is a designated place at all representative zones, production and non-production areas, where unwanted things can be collected temporarily and finally removed. This is an example of red tag area where all the unwanted items are moved with the tag. How to perform the first S, that is sorting out. The entire factory or workplace has to be divided into small zones. Form a team leader consisting of a leader and 4 to 5 members. This team will meet periodically and perform one S. For that, we have to fix a date and time to do the red tag campaign and carry out the audit across all zones. Search and identify unwanted things and tie them with a red tag. Other than product scrap, red tagged items should be moved to respective red tag area. This is another example of red tag area. This is an example of red tag that will contain the information about the company, section area, name of the items, quantity, reason for moving this particular item to red tag area, whether it is obsolete or defective or scrap, not in place, unnecessary, mix-up, unidentified, etc. And what action to be taken, whether it has to be moved to scrap or it has to be rectified or it can be put in the right location or mix-up has to be segregated, like that. How to conduct the red tag audit. Suppose after completing the red tag campaign, if you do the audit, you should not see any obsolete part in your area. The following items should not be there in your location. That is obsolete, defective, scrap, not in place, unnecessary items, mix-up, unidentified, obsolete documents, etc. So with this, the first S is over. Now we will move on to second S, that is Seitan, that is systematic arrangement. What is the objective? Place for every useful things, and every useful things is on its place. Arranging them in a systematic manner. What is the result? Reduces searching time. In the day-to-day life, if you go to medical shop, you are giving the medical prescription and requesting a particular tablet. That particular tablet is retrieved and given to you within few seconds. How it is possible? That means the tablets are arranged in a systematic manner. A similar thing has to be followed in this cycle. What are the benefits of 2S? Faster retrieval of things, result in elimination of searching time, opportunity to correct the abnormalities. Space saving. Efficiency of work improves as things are available when they are actually needed. For example, many times in the shop floor, we'll be wasting time in searching the tools or any features which is needed for the production. All this searching time can be eliminated by implementing 2S. Methodology to implement 2S. Check what item identification, where, the location, how much, how many numbers we have to store it, and when, what is the time limit, how long we have to store it, are to be decided. Decide appropriate location for everything. Display identification mark for every location. Items stored should have the identification mark, including purpose of storage and its review date. Methodology to implement 2S. Everything should be cleaned thoroughly before they are stored in its prefix location. Location and storage of items should be easily accessed to all. Clear identification and visibility for the location. Training and information to all. First in, first out, that is FIFO, should be ensured. Presence of good 2S. Availability of prefixed location for everything. Location or appropriate. Presence of identification for everything. Containerization. Accessibility is easy and known to everyone. Location for fire extinguishers is adequate. Gangways are clearly marked. This is an example of the 2S. Mops board with cleaning tools. Hand tools are arranged in the shadow board. Prefix location for all stationary items. Keys are kept in the earmark board. All gauges near the machine are kept in the shadow board. By doing this arrangement, number one, the benefits are, number one, any gauge is missing from the packet can be easily identified and it can be searched and put into the location. And also, while doing inspection, if all the gauges are arranged in a particular sequence, we will not miss out any gauging operation also. This is another example of arranging the files. By doing this marking, one is missing files can be identified, wrong sequence also can be avoided. Some of the visual aids can be used to improve the visibility of your workplace. So with that, the second is also is over. Third is say so, that is cleanliness. Shine everything. Shine everything means 6-side cleaning of all. Each equipment or workplace will have 6 sides, top and bottom, front and rear, right and left. All the 6 sides have to be cleaned. It is not only the decoration only in the front side or only the visible areas. It should be cleaned thoroughly, all the places. Right, these are all the typical cleaning equipments what we need to carry out. Third is. Objective of third is provide dust-free environment, create safe and healthy workplace, ensure high quality of work and product, increase the efficiency and life of equipment, improves visibility to identify abnormalities. Presence of good 3S. Suppose if you are saying I have done 3S, how to feel that? Everything is dust-free, visibility is clear, clean and safe workplace, no leakage of oil on machine floor, etc. No abnormal sound vibration at workplace. How to implement 3S? Office clean top and below of the table, cupboard and filing rack, shop floor clean machines, equipment, walls, fans, etc. Canteen, toilet and outskirts of the machine. Company. List of tools used for cleaning: brooms, mops, dusting cloth, etc. So with that, the third S is over. Then we'll move on to Seiketsu, that is standardization. What is standardization? Whatever we have done in the first 3 S has to be standardized. Otherwise, this will go back to its original within no time. So to set standard practice for carrying out routine, repetitive work in the best known way. To ensure the quantity and quality of work is consistent. Sustain the benefits achieved by implementing 1S, 2S and 3S. Avoid reoccurrence. Ensures availability of procedures for every activity. Ensures continuity of work. Provides systematic approach. Provides guideline for new people. What is to be standardized? Workstation layout. Work area layout. Work in progress. Sequence of work. Cycle time. Materials and tools. Machine and their process parameter. Quality parameter, etc. Some companies will have their standard colors for identifying the pipelines containers. Say for example, green color means waterline, blue color means airline, brown means flammable oil or liquid, etc. Each company and also the companies have their own guideline. With that, the fourth S is over. Now the fifth one is Shipsuke, that is self-discipline. Whatever has been decided must be followed exactly as per the standard. Is the meaning of Shipsuke. Follow the standard. Objective is to bring a cultural change in the organization, achieved through total employee involvement. How to implement fifth S? Practice makes the person perfect. Ensure that practices set are followed exactly as per the standard. Motivate people to get involved in the improvement process. Form the team at all levels. Abnormalities found in the shop floor or in the workplace has to be identified, analyzed for the root cause, and action are to be taken to prevent reoccurrence. Good and bad areas should be identified and displayed. Reward distribution for the best area month-wise. Zone-wise competition should be created for healthy environment. Start review for implementation status. Audit all zones. There should be a audit system. Periodical audit system has to be there to ensure the 5 years is sustained in the long run. This is one of the typical audit checklist to audit all the 5 years in your workplace. This can be modified based on your need. 5 years is not one-time activity. It is a continuous improvement process. No TQM, TPM, Toyota Production System, Lean is possible without 5 years. 5 years is a way of life. If you have any queries on this video, you can write in the comment section. Thank you.